Measuring things in the kitchen is a part of cooking, so I wanted to get a measuring cup and spoon set that is going to fit all my needs at once. I absolutely love this one. As you can see here, all the little cups stack on top of each other, and the same is true for the spoons. They even include little rings if you want to keep them all together at all times. These are incredible because they're made of metal, so they're super easy to clean, and the measurements can be seen here at the top in both milliliters and cups, and there's also a halfway mark on all the cups so you can see from all the sides. You also have a little corner to pour out any liquids to make sure it's a perfect pour every time, and these spoons even come with a leveler for the same reason. I absolutely adore these cups as well for measuring. The biggest one is 4 cups big and the smallest one is 1 cup. They have these great little handles that make it super easy for you to hold on to them, and the little spout makes it easy to pour out. I definitely recommend checking this kit out, and you can find it on Amazon.